I have another question for you. What's up guys, Corey the Random Guy here. I've got another question, but before we begin, ask you guys to like, subscribe, share, comment, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any of these videos, and remember, I still have a giveaway video. We're not quite to 100 subscribers. One lucky winner who does comment on that giveaway video will be randomly picked to win the jump starting flashlight. You guys are also interested in the jump starting flashlight review. I have a review video on that. I will put both links to both videos in the description below. With that out of the way, let's get started. We are here at the Uniden Bearcat 980. The thing that I have a problem with this, and I noticed this today, this thing was supposed to be peaked and tuned. However, it doesn't show any signs of being peaked and tuned anymore. It looks like it kind of went down to stock, but something very interesting on the needle that I seen happen today that I don't know if maybe I should take it back to the shop that I bought it from and have them take a look at it, get another one. I don't know. This is partially the reason why I don't like getting radios that have been peaked and tuned or screwed with because of problems like this. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So you guys remember the Road Talker 40. I have it switched over to AM. I'm going to show you the wattage here. Let me zoom in. It's putting about 8 watts, and that's on channel 38 AM. Let me flip over to the Uniden. Turn this one off, turn this one on. This one's on lower sideband. Flip it over to AM, and as you see, I have the adapter hooked up to this mic because for some reason the original mic that comes with these is very quiet, and this one's pretty loud for it. So let me zoom in. About 7 watts. That's about normal for this radio. Now, watch what happens. Flip it over to lower sideband. I will go ahead and do an audio test, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. But first, let me whistle into the thing. Flip it over to the 100-watt scale. Noise warning. So it's about 12 watts whistling into it. Now, watch what happens when I do an actual audio test. And remember, this is on 38 lower sideband. Audio. It drops like I don't understand. We'll flip it back over to the 10-watt scale. Audio. You see, it goes up to about 12 and then it drops back to like 2 or 3 as you guys just seen. Audio. See, if I whistle into the thing, it stays right at about 12 watts. It's supposed to be pushing about 22, and it was when I first got it, but now it's not. But the thing that concerned me the most was when I did the audio test, it dropped wattage, which was really weird. I don't know if maybe this thing is overmodulating and it's having a fail-safe issue or what's going on, but we'll do that test on the Road Talker, and I'll show you that the Road Talker doesn't do that. We'll flip it over. It's on AM now. Flip it over, 38 lower sideband. Now, the reason why this thing is not showing a full 12 watts out is because of the extremely long cable I have hooked up to the A99, so it's not really gonna push too much. But watch what happens when I do the audio test. Audio. It doesn't drop like the Uniden does. So you guys seen the difference there? What I'm going to do tomorrow, and you guys can comment down below and kind of let me know what's going on here. I'm going to get a hold of the shop that I bought this thing from because it's been less than 30 days, and if I have to take it back to get another one that hasn't been screwed with or whatever the case is, remember I paid $180 for this thing, and I can get one new that has not been touched for like $140. If that's the case, I'll probably take this one back and just get one that hasn't been screwed with at all, and then we'll go from there with that. I did order 2 cables, solid pieces. They're about 65 foot a piece, so I'm going to be replacing this cable all the way from there all the way out to there. The dipole, like I said, I'm going to take it down. I haven't taken it down yet. I'm going to, kind of running out of daytime. I'll probably get to it sometime this week as I've got to work. Now, I do have plans to remake a homemade antenna. I still don't know if it's going to be a half wave or if it's going to be a quarter wave. I had some really good luck with my quarter wave ground plane, but we'll see. Who knows? Maybe I'll stick the 102-inch whip back up there too. I have no clue. I'm still in the thinking phase of all that. As far as this Uniden that you guys are sitting on, it's really weird. I mean, it'll push 12 when it did push 22 at one point, and now all of a sudden it's back down to 12. It drops dramatically when you're talking into the... When you're whistling, it holds it, but when you start talking into it, it'll go up to about 12 watts and then drop down to 2 or 3, as you guys have seen. And the Road Talker 40 doesn't. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think it could be. Ultimately, I am going to get a hold of the CB shop that I did buy it from. It hasn't been 30 days yet. I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to see if maybe they can just take this thing back and I get another one like it that hasn't been messed with, or whatever the case is. To let you guys know, this is why I don't pick up radios that have been modded in any way, shape, or form, because of this problem right here. I knew this was going to happen if I were to get something that was peaked and tuned. I would rather stick with stock radios, and if I need more power, I would rather just take an amp and put it in line with it and go from there. I don't really like radios that have been messed with. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. We'll go from there, and I will give you guys an update as everything comes along. We'll catch you guys later.